Yo, what's up, my prankster gangsters? So today we're going to be playing Airplane. You guys basically know this. It's a new game that was created in 2020. Lol, 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 lol. Right now I'm going to be traveling and you guys will never see me again. Goodbye. But if this thing is bad, boy, I ain't doing this again. So I'm just waiting for flight 3002. Okay, guys. Why is everybody here? It's so annoying.
No, that can't be real. It's on the TV, video game, and kind of going back and forth with reality.
Let's go in here, because that's 332. We are on time.
You're gonna make great athletes look average.
Okay, it says D3. D3. Oh no, it says D13. How stupid can I be? Lol, lol, lol. Only if I bought Robux, I would be rich as heck. Ha 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 ha. You get it, guys. Lol, lol, lol. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 3. No, I went on the wrong flight. Oh. Oh, lol, lol, lol. If this one is bad, I'm going back to my homie sheeps. I ain't going with no brown sheep. Brown sheep's a total waste. Lol, 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 lol. I'm joking. Brown sheep, don't judge me about that. But still, I'd like to give shoutouts to people who subscribe to me. Thank you very much. Anyways, it would only be brown sheep videos. I was thinking of playing I'm Your Daddy. Who's Your Daddy? With audio bot, basically. But I don't know if he wants to play. Blah blah blah, watch me be a savage and me and my mustache would be dancing. I wish I could do the dab in this stupid game. It won't allow me. Oh dang, no, I don't want to leave. No. Lol, look how stupid I look. I'm sitting like Purple Chef when he's on a toaster. Lol, I'm just going to hang here. What happened here?
Then I guess at some point during the game, during one of the commercial breaks, they roll out the Nike campaign.
He hit a home run in an all-star game.
Ooh, a snack is coming for everybody.
That's like Bono's.
Glad it's close to me. Glad it's close to me. I'd like one very much. Let me eat this.
Bono's basketball, my friend.
Guys, I don't know.
Bono's tennis?
I don't know if this was delicious. But it was, totally, indeed. I ate the sandwich and it tastes really good. What happened? Oh, she's allergic to mayo. We gotta look for her thing before she dies. Lol, this is so weird. Why is she in there? Get out of there. Right now. Fine, I will just lock you in here. Fine, don't get out. Lol. Lol, this guy is a voice passenger. Oh, he bought something. But I don't think he has Robux. Well, I don't think I'm enjoying this ride. This is not actually a really good ride. what is going to happen next. If it's a bad ride, I'm going straight home. That's facts.
Jim Ritzwald came up with the campaign.
I don't think everyone's acting too good. Like we just had a allergic reaction.
Secondarily,
Now I think something. Okay, this is not the really great flight I ever had. What the heck is this? All I wanted was a clean flight.
The fun part about working
What the heck? What is that out the window?
Sometimes when you design
Oh my gosh, I'm going back to my homies. If this gets better, I'm going straight to Brown Sheep. Oh my gosh, this is getting creepy. Hello, question mark. How you doing?
The shoe looks more muscular, your muscles designed parts.
Oh dang, are those snakes? Ew. I don't. Oh my gosh, this was the baddest idea. Why would snakes appear in here? Oh my gosh, I hate this ride. I'm going to leave automatically. I'm going to tell Brown Sheep that I'm not even coming because this is a bad flight. What the heck is this? This is not even a flight. She died. Lol. Where is that open restroom? There it is. Golly. Let's see if we can get out of here. No, we can't. We're locked in the bathroom. Lol, let me wash my hands. Looks like she's taking a little dump. Lol.
Difference maker was that then Jordan became indisputably the best basketball player of his generation. So there was this sort of idea that if Nike is
That was scary. That was scary. I can't lie. And I'm never coming back to this plane again. This plane is the worst. All I wanted was a peace and good flight. That's all I wanted.
I think people were like, well, it's probably true.
Don't misjudge me.
The bow-nose shoes, I can afford that. But you could be in Pop Warner like
I don't know what she's saying.
and I could walk
Let's get out of here. Wait, what? We're locked forever. Guess we have to eat toilet water. If someone needs to take a dump, we have to eat that. Whoa.
Counterfeit t-shirts on Venice Beach St.
Okay, let's go back to our seats and have a good ride.
Bo knows this, Bo knows that. Maybe he was literally a superhero in a cartoon.
I don't think I can't sleep because that thing scared me.
The New Yorker wrote a parody of the Bo Knows thing, you know?
I
So
know.
it's like, it was in high culture and it was local.
Glad a bacon said it.
And everyone remembers that about Bo Jackson, that he was the greatest Tecmo Bowl player of all time.
If you want to talk about the legend of Bo Jackson, nothing does it.
What is the
like
good
it.
news?
There's no way to say
Let's
it.
start with the good news first.
You could not stop it. It was unfair to blame the Raiders because
I am never doing this again, guys. This is scaring me. I don't care. Right now, I went up to here. That means good. And then here.
Faster than everybody else, and stronger than everybody else, but only had one play.
I need a mask.
I don't know.
Ew.
Japanese just put him at an even higher level than we did because it was all, I think it was all Japanese designers.
Can you get it?
People remember he was this unstoppable running back.
Yup, he's dead.
He must have been that unstoppable in real life, and the myth just grows even more.
They're both dead. Well, it's just the four of us. This is getting really creepy. I'm keeping this mask on. This is getting creepy. Yo, did you just hear that? I am never doing this again. I'm not even doing it twice.
Well, adversity comes in many shapes and forms.
Yes, and never also. Baseball also. He was.
Some of that strength.
They play both too.
Yeah, he plays both baseball.
Okay, I'm going to get these scissors. Only if people move out of my way.
Also,
championships in that art?
Oh, I thought it was going to explode.
Kansas City came close.
And because of that, he was
Lost in the
able
World
to
Series.
get through it.
That resilience.
When you heard it, he had a
I gotta
bad
say,
hit.
thanks Tiger Leader. I really appreciate that.
Whatever our surroundings are.
No
He was the
problem.
number one pick on the NFL draft.
Thanks for leading me though.
But he
I
didn't
really
know
like
because
that. Maybe I should add him as a friend
September Bay,
He was supposed to go to Tampa Bay?
if he accepts
Tampa
it.
Bay Buccaneers.
Yeah. I got my friend.
And Tampa Bay was scared. So what they did was fly him out to Tampa Bay, just show him the facilities,
Yeah.
because they know it would have made him ineligible to play football when he got back.
Where is the crew?
So when they drafted him,
It's the other side.
Yeah.
he didn't go. He's like, I'm not going. And
After what he did.
yeah, and they went. That's why he played baseball. I think it's 0. Yeah, 0. Yeah, no one else was good.
Oh my gosh, they're dead.
Well, I'm a new check. And you may not know this about me, but years ago, I was diagnosed with sleep and like many other levels of stress. Did you know sleep equipment manufacturers recommend daily taking? That's why I use
Oh, it's locked.
and it's hassle-free.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm never doing this again. If Tiger wants to play it and he says join me, no, I ain't joining. I'm sorry, Tiger. I'm going back there.
We talking to your
Okay, I'll come with because my boy Tiger is
I
coming.
have a shift. Remember I told you I had a shift coming up on Saturday?
She still has the sandwich.
Donna Marie told me. She told me
Give me that sandwich.
Martine can't make
Yeah.
because she has
Whoa,
to
whoa,
babysit
whoa,
her for
whoa,
nights. And I said, okay. So she's like, I'm still trying to find you shifts through the week. She said, but it's tough, you know, like.
Then why are we even here?
So I think I'm gonna fill out for
Yeah, you have to.
that thing.
You have to fill out for it.
Yeah.
Tiger, don't misjudge yourself. You are the best here. Oh my gosh.
What was a multimedia superstar before there was such a thing as multimedia?
Let's go in.
It was like traveling with one of these. It really was. Having to go into
The captain's unconscious.
Whatever. We're sitting in first class, we're flying back. And the pilots come out and ask to go for an autograph. And I'm sitting there, I'm beginning to.
Oh my gosh, people, how do you think this went?
Who's flying the plane, sir?
And it couldn't happen to a more humble superstar.
I told Cool Creeper played this game, but I never. Lol, that's why I switched accounts with them.
His persona didn't take on what the Bono's campaign was. He
Autopilot
kept
button.
his own personality and his own character separate from that campaign, which must have been tough.
Okay, click every
Imagine
button.
the ego stroke. I'm like, hey, you know everything, and you're like, yeah.
Tiger, we need you for this one.
Quiet guy, and he was more quiet than Ted. And he was especially quiet around the press.
We only have 48 seconds. We need to find that button. Good.
Reticent first because he had a little slight stuttering problem. But
2 boys and 2 girls, not bad.
in the American lexicon, we celebrate the strong silent types. The Bo Jackson, understated, cool, kind of
I know.
just
I'm never
easy
doing this again.
dismissal of his own feats is what really gets to people. And he's so good. And
Once Audiobot and
that's what
Audiobot and Cool Creeper went in here, Audiobot almost felt sick. Lol. That's what he told me.
I just run up the wall.
He's running back in Baltimore at the old stadium there, and he reaches up and catches the ball.
He's a really big guy to be
Yeah, but
From
he
the
was
fence.
sweet, bro.
And he jumps up on the
I
wall,
remember they
takes
showed
off
that
three
in
or
every
four
sports
steps,
show.
and then jumps off and runs off speed.
But it was nothing. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
This game's gonna play over 100 years.
No.
Anybody can do it.
I remember thinking, like, is that a big deal? Because it
Please, I'm going to leave. Safe trip. No, I want to leave. I'm sorry.
Not a human being.
Rest in peace.
Somebody that there was this
Rest in
out here.
peace.
It's a matter of space to put on a raw uniform.
It seemed like every day for a few years, sports pages were filled with what amounted to.
And it's definitely not me.
Bo Jackson came along at a time when the sports world was changing, when cable television really first started, ESPN first started, and so rather than
I'm going to cut in. Bad idea. Now I'm last.
every single day.
And he never left the stage
Marcus was
because he played different sports. He
Which one is it gonna be?
was ideally suited for the age of the highlight. They were coming at us left and right. Football season, baseball season.
Oh no, he's back.
And keep walking. You think to yourself, A, I could never break a baseball.
You are so short. La 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 la.
Damage to, I would have to be hospitalized.
Then, of course, the ultimate idiot, I go, let me try that out. Oh, I mean, if you don't have this gigantic bruise on my leg,
Breaking the bad situation actually seems
So guys, this turned out to be a very unsafe trip. You know? Don't. If you guys want to play this game, go ahead.
Baseball player.
he's a home run hitter, he can steal bases, but his batting average was what, 260, 270 range.
But look at Bo Jackson. There was something obvious about his greatness. I think that was
Yo yo yo, I can even step on you.
part. It was just so clear.
While on the field and do what he did, and then everybody would just be like, oh, what they kept
Yeah, we did it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Victory. Yeah.
athleticism, such strength, such speed. How does a guy that big?
Why is it in red?
That's what I'm
How
saying.
is he able to make other
And why is it in red?
He just looks super big to me.
and then run over guys who are bigger than him?
Yucky. Okay guys, I'm never doing that again. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this crap.